Valentine's Day is next week, and while chocolate says I love you to some, it is not the message you want to send to your pets. Dr. Wendy King is at Spears Creek Veterinary Clinic, and you taught me, because I just always hear don't give chocolate to pets, but you kind of say not all chocolate is created equally.
Right. So I actually had my pharmacy student, Matt, do some calculations for me, and I came up with, what I asked him was how much chocolate would actually kill a 20-pound dog. So we have these brownies here, and how much brownie do you think would kill a 20-pound dog?
Oh, maybe half that? That's just guessing.
Actually, 5 trays of brownies.
Those.
5
Okay.
of the whole tray would kill a 20-pound dog. Now, he'd probably get sick before then, but that's a lethal dose. It's 5 trays of that.
Okay.
All right, so then we're going to move to the milk chocolate. So this is 20 ounces of milk chocolate, and 20 ounces of milk chocolate would kill a 20-pound dog.
Okay.
Interesting, I did note that this is, if you can see it, it's got little dogs on the front, and you would think it's so cute to give to your dog, and it actually is made of chocolate. It's for humans, and it doesn't say anything. Yes. So then we're going to move on to the dark chocolate. The dark chocolate, they only need to eat 10 ounces of the dark chocolate to be toxic to them.
So this is even worse.
Even
obviously.
worse.
Okay, then milk
better
chocolate.
for humans.
Yeah, but but worse.
And then we move on to the baker's chocolate. A 20-pound dog only needs to eat 2 ounces of the baker's chocolate to be toxic to them, lethally toxic.
2
to them.
ounces.
2 ounces.
Okay.
And then we're down to the sugar-free candy. Remember, the sugar-free is even more toxic to them. And it's not the chocolate that's toxic in this one. It's the sugar-free alcohol. They're made with xylitol, and they're sugar alcohols, and the dog's body does not recognize that as sugar, but they think they ate sugar, and so they get hypoglycemia, and they actually get almost like an insulin coma from that one.
So while these are the more lethal ones, these aren't going to necessarily kill the dog unless it's in a high volume. Obviously, your recommendation is
right,
no
and
chocolate.
I'm definitely not advocating giving chocolate, but it's surprising. You don't have to panic if you drop an M&M on the ground and your dog eats an M&M. It's okay.
Okay, so if you don't know how much chocolate your dog has had behind your back, what do you do?
You can give them actually 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide and make them throw up anything they ate in the last 30 minutes, about an hour. But if you don't know when they ate it, it could have been 5 or 6 hours ago if you've been away all day.
Good information. And to ask Dr. King any of your pet care questions, send me a tweet right now. I'm at Dawndy, WISTV. Dr. King will answer your questions a little later in this show. Dr. King, as always, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, John, the weather.